Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. You're probably wondering why the heck I've got these headphones. Well, I mean, they're amazing, they're very nice. They're obviously the AirPods Max from Apple, obviously right here in the red color. However, they are not. They are very good. However, these are not the new AirPods Max at all. These are when you go to workplaces here in Canada. As you do know that I'm right here celebrating my Christmas holiday, so I have to be in the Christmas spirit with my pajamas. Anyway, so these are what you get at a workplace. However, the actual AirPods Max, they are right here that we have got from Fairview here in Scarborough. And so I've never really seen these ever except people wearing them. So let me show you guys and I'll see along what these actually look like.
1, 2, 3, let's go!
So now let's actually unbox it and see what it has to offer. Okay, so first looks first. Here you can see the amazing blue color right here. There were multiple colors, however we chose this one because the blue looks really nice. I mean the top bit, very nice, and it's a metallic color. So here they are. When you hold it in your hand, you've got the really nice case that you've definitely seen everyone open it, and it is also blue as well. And obviously there is paper, so it is a very nice dark blue. Now let's actually see and open how these look. Okay. So the headphones themselves, this is the color on the outside that you will see, and on the top. I really like the top color, the main, obviously, because the blue looks very nice and vibrant. Now, let's properly look up. So, when you saw this and this, I mean, can you see a difference between the two? I sure can. Now, let me show you with wearing these, how I look. They are very nice, noise cancellation and everything. However, if you want a more modern and actually functioning, very nice speakers, well, headphones right here, then you get these. These are also noise cancellation right now, and the one thing that I do really like about these ones is you've got the volume button, which, if you know, in the old cars where you've got like a little tape that you do to pull up the volume, you've got that right here as well on the side, so that is really nice as well. And also, do they look stylish? I think they do. So now that I've opened the case for these headphones as well, this is the actual color of the case. They do look really nice, and let's just insert these. So that is what it looks when they're in their case, really nice, and you've got a nice and durable case. Now what comes in the box? So you've obviously got the case for your headphones, the headphones themselves as well, and obviously in every single Apple product you've got a little guide and some stickers as well. And you do have a charger, so the only thing that's included is these things, no plug, so you do have to have your adapter separately. However, you have got the C-pin to iPhone charger right here, which the charger is right here inside as well. With my songs, with these new headphones. I mean, they are amazing. I love them. They look stylish. They're perfect. But anyway, this is just a little short video to show you what comes in the box, how they are, and my personal opinion on it. I absolutely love them, and I would definitely recommend you guys buying it because look how nice these look. Anyway, I guess I'll see you guys in one of my next videos here in Canada while I'm enjoying my Christmas holidays.